Ghosts, monsters, werewolves, witches. Isn't that what Halloween is about? But hey, what's a scary story without a scary atmosphere? So join me. Let's create a scary Halloween vibe out of nothing. Pretty much what's lying around in your house. Recycled waste. So for those of you who do not know me, or if you are joining me for the first time, I am Samita. I live in and work out of Melbourne, Australia. I have my own eco-gifts label called AoDA Eco Gifts Online. AoDA focuses on creating eco-gifts out of recycled waste or making products that are versatile and multi-use. I am a sustainability champion and I promote the cause of sustainability on different platforms. Now you'd say, Samita, you've lost your mind. This is a photo frame minus the glass, ready for the tip, but not quite. What do we have inside? We have bubble wrap. But is it bubble wrap or is it cobweb? Now if you give bubble wrap a little bit of smoosh and stretch, it looks very similar to cobweb, and then you can dress it up with a few of these scary characters. The cat and the bat, maybe a couple of spiders, and there you go. Voila! Your Halloween artwork is ready. AoDA's by now famous bunting, the bunting that I made out of hessian, and you would ask me, did I buy this hessian? Not quite. I have saved it from the floral bouquets I receive from my clients, friends, subscribers. Most of the bouquets, if you particularly buy from eco florists, they come wrapped in hessian and nice ribbons. So I, being the Auntie Scrooge, I save all of that. So this was a Valentine's bunting which got recycled as Easter bunting, and now I have flipped it over, given it a fresh lease of life, and then I'd decorate it with the cutouts, the Halloween motifs that I was showing to you earlier. Now for the table centerpiece. Goes without saying, AoDA's Ollie Owl would take the pride of place. Then I would make a wreath out of roses made out of leftover ribbons. Scraps of ribbon turned into roses. And then of course you have the friendly ghosts, Spooky and Casper. Casper is the friendly one, Spooky is not so friendly. So these are made out of cotton wool, scraps of fabric, and they would have facial features drawn with a Sharpie. So that becomes part of the table decor. It's been about a year since we started Learn with Samita, DIDA's YouTube channel. And in this 1 year, we have grown exponentially. And who do we have to thank for that? You, DIDA's likers, followers, subscribers. So if you are liking our videos, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, share, comment, like and subscribe, because your likes, your comments, your subscriptions motivate us to do better. And if you would like us to cover a particular topic, mention in comments below, and we would do our best to comply with your request. Till then, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now.